Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video you guys are going to see a very realistic wash day routine. It's pretty lazy. You're probably going to see some things that typical curly girls don't do, but I'm just being real. This is what I do when I'm having a regular wash day and I'm not deep conditioning or using an Olaplex treatment or rice water or whatever it is. This is like a very typical wash day for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter, and turn on your post notifications. And now we can get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I am starting with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk shampoo. I really love this shampoo because it is super hydrating, and I know it cleanses my hair without leaving it fully stripped of its natural good oils. So I just start with a little bit of this. Sometimes I do 2 washes, but for this time I only did 1. Sometimes I take this peppermint soap by Dr. Bronner's, I believe, and I love adding this to my shampoo. I only take a little bit of this though because this could be a little drying, and especially in the colder months, my hair is already dry enough. So I just take a little bit of it and make sure to really focus. As you can see, I'm not really putting shampoo on like all of my hair, just in the scalp and focusing it on the top parts, like the roots of my hair. Now I'm going in with this matcha green tea and wild apple blossom deep conditioner. This is like a 5 to 10 minute deep conditioner. So I really try not to use regular conditioners in my hair anymore because deep conditioners are just the wave. And honestly, they just give me the hydration that my hair actually needs. I try to use like the regular conditioners just for like leave-ins and stuff. And with the conditioners, when I start detangling, this one doesn't have a lot of slip, but as long as I continue to add some water and stuff, I was able to get my hair detangled. And then I typically just do this. Like, this is the laziest thing ever, but I put it into a bun. Eventually I rinse that out, and when I come out, I put my hair in a towel for a little bit. So I do put my hair in a bun after I get out of the shower, just to hold it all together before I start styling, which is probably after I get dressed and do whatever else I have to do. So once I start styling, my hair has gotten a little bit dry, so I do go in with a water bottle and start wetting it up a little bit, just because my hair takes products in better when it is really, really wet. I used to put my products all in the shower, but I stopped doing that. So here I'm taking the Curl Talk conditioner. This is a 3-in-1, so it can work as a regular rinse out conditioner. The pump broke on this, so that's why I made that face. So I always have to like pull it out and, you know, rake that through my hair. I make sure everything is covered with this. Sometimes I go way too high up into my roots, but I mostly like to focus it on my ends because they were bleached and everything, that's where I need a lot of hydration. But this conditioner is bomb, guys. The slip on this is amazing, and I love adding my styling products like this. Honestly, this is why I kind of don't like to film a lot of hair videos, because most of them my hair is just forward like this. Okay, so now I'm taking this Camille Rose Honey Leave-In like conditioner. It's a leave-in. It's not a conditioner though, but it is really like honey. It smells just like honey, and it is super thick. I'm showing you guys here how thick it actually is, and honestly, it does really great at hydrating my hair. I've found though that sometimes when I use this, it adds a little bit of frizz to my hair. I don't know why. I guess it's because of the honey part in it, but I only take a little bit of this and make sure to focus it on my ends. When I feel like I need like the extra hydration. I don't always use this though, but I really, really do like it. If I'm gonna do like a protective style or something, then this is like perfect. And it does leave your hands and everything really sticky, so it's perfect that I put it in when my hair is actually wet. You can see my hair is looking juicy. So now I just start scrunching it up. I probably could be scrunching in sections and doing all of this in sections truly, but this is a realistic wash day for me. I typically just don't I just don't section my hair off. But I tried to focus on parts that I do feel is a little bit more dry. Finally, I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel. I just started using this gel, and this gel is the truth. I don't know why it took me so long to start using this, but I take a lot of this gel and I coat my curls in it, and then I start scrunching with the gel. But I really, really love this gel. It actually even adds a lot of definition to my hair as well, so I am a fan. Sometimes with scrunching, I get a little bit of frizz, so I try to be as gentle as possible, but do as I say, not as I do. Be very, very gentle and don't scrunch too much because you will ultimately end up with a lot of frizz. And after I apply all of my products, I air dry for a while. So in this particular moment, I was air drying all while I was doing my makeup.
One eternity later.
And now I am diffusing, and I'm gonna do minimum heat but high air. So I let my hair actually air dry a little bit before I diffuse, because if I don't, then I'm just gonna create a whole bunch of frizz if I start diffusing right away. Eventually, I go in with Olaplex Bonding Oil, and this is in number 7, and I use a little bit of this all over my hair. I then go in with my Diva Fuser, and I like this one because it's like a hand and it really gets into the roots. And the roots are like the last thing to dry for me, so I like to get in there with this Diva Fuser. And voila, my curls are ready. It's done, refreshed, and looking good. Okay, you guys, so these are my results for my wash day. I try not to diffuse too much on wash day because then it's going to be harder to refresh tomorrow and then the days after. So I try to let it air dry. It's about 95% dried, and then the rest I let it air dry, because once I start seeing some frizz come along, then I'm like, okay, it's time to just kind of leave it alone and stop trying to over manipulate my hair. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I have a little bit of volume, not too much. Tomorrow and the day after, volume starts to increase a lot more. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my wash day, and if you do like videos like this and want to see more, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.